Hi, it's Raj. Welcome back. We're going to go over our QR code tips for you and show you how to use your QR code and get the most money from your gigs. Let's start with dive bars. If you're a DJ, singer, rapper, karaoke host, or bartender that commonly works in dive bars, these are very effective places and venues to put your QR code. Here are some suggestions. Laptop stickers. Always good to have your laptop with a sticker on it. People will walk up to you and scan your QR codes. Wall posters. If you're good with the venue or play there regularly in a residency, ask if you can hang a wall poster advertising your Gigonomix page and yourself as a performer. Table toppers. These are really easy to place and take down at the end of the night. Get a stand or fold one up and make a table topper flyer for each table in the venue. TV screens are a great place to display your code. If your bar allows you to, see if you can get one of your regular flyers in rotation on the TV screen. At the minimum, maybe display your DJ name and QR code. Business cards. Adding the Gigonomix QR code to your business card is a great way to place them anywhere that you want to in a very easy way. You can put them on all the tables, you can hand them to people who come up to you, you can hand them to people you meet, and there's your QR code in the hands of your fans. Nightclubs. As we go upscale with nightclubs, some of the options that you have to place your code go away. That's okay, because there's still plenty more ways to get your code out there, including the laptop sticker, TV screens or monitors in the venue, and your business cards. These are ways for you to actually get your code out to people in a way that the venue will not mind. Public areas. If you are a busker or street performer, Gigonomix is great for you. Again, use your laptop sticker as a prominent way to always be with you and display your code. The instrument case sticker could put your QR code on your instrument case as well, which is a great way to display your QR code. Posters and laminated signs are also great ways to display your Gigonomix QR code in public areas. Consider printing smaller posters known as 4x6 flyers or 4x4 flyers. Those are great flyers to hand out and also carry many with you as you go from gig to gig. There are many more ways to display your QR code, and we'll give you more tips. Make sure you join our weekly live stream Zooms so that you can chat with us on our office hours for career advice, Gigonomix advice, and how to get the most money from your gigs. Thanks for watching.